Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Hello.
Katherine.
Yeah.
So we're talking about the soft palate right now because Katherine is interested in screaming while she sings, and you have to kind of learn how to manipulate your soft palate if you want to be able to scream while you sing without hurting your vocal folds down here. So first let's practice the vocal fry in your larynx, which is like this. You can feel it vibrating here in your larynx. So that's the vocal fry we will not use. Just to be clear, because there are two different kinds. And then we need to find our soft palate. So it's also nice to be able to find your soft palate just so you can lift it. So I'm going to use my flashlight here to show. That's my mouth. So you see my uvula hanging down in the back. So when I lift my soft palate, here in a second, you'll see the uvula go up and it will like retract. Down is regular. It's so hard to show.
Yeah. Dang.
Down. Up. Do you see the difference?
Yeah, it's really funky.
It's very strange to look at. But so if you put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, towards the front of your mouth, it's hard. That's your hard palate. Because it's hard. Because it is doesn't move.
Very
because it is rigid.
Difficult palate.
The difficult palate. Don't try lifting that. It won't work. I can barely even see your face. You're shy, aren't you?
Yeah, kind of.
And if we slide the tongue backwards towards our throat, you can feel it suddenly changes and becomes soft and squishy.
The squish.
That's the soft palate, and the soft palate can move. So we want to take it from flat to a dome shape.
Okay. Can you lift it up? Oh man, I went into
You
a
do
yawn.
it when you yawn. It happens automatically. Like,
Yawn?
and down.
Oh man.
And so,
It's contagious.
I know. Yeah. So that helps us create a lot of space up here, more space than we would have otherwise, which makes the sound more beautiful. And so we can choose to cause vibrations to go through the soft palate like this.
Oh, so that's what that is.
Can you do that?
It's a lot more aggressive for me. I think it might be something like...
Do you feel it buzzing though, back this part of your roof of your mouth?
Maybe a little.
So the first step is to be able to know where your soft palate is. You can identify where it is, because if you can't do that, then you can't manipulate it deliberately. Most people don't know where it is or how to find it or how to do anything with it. So the first step is, where is it and how do I move it or make it do things if I want to. So try lifting it up again.
I can't do this without yawning.
I know. Okay, now let's see. Can we look inside your mouth?
Sure. It's a dental appointment.
Tilt your head down a little
like
so I can
down.
see in the camera. Yeah. Oops.
This is really weird without context.
It is, I know. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Up.
Am I doing it?
Not quite.
Tensing every muscle in my neck.
Oh, so
Like
tense would be the opposite of what we want. We want to open. There! It went up!
Oh, yay!
Okay, do it again. See if you can see it. Can you see it in the camera?
Can I?
You can get a little closer. Now put it down. And up. Good. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
so
Oh,
you gotta
did it.
find like that sweet spot when you're kind of yawning, but like not exactly.
Yeah, it's the same shape as yawning, but you don't want to actually yawn. So one little helpful thing you can do to practice is you can just talk, and then suddenly lift up your soft palate and you can hear your voice change.
Oh, okay, so like
Talk,
and
lift it up.
Lift
it up, because have you ever had that where
Lift
you're
it up,
talking and you yawn and your voice changes and sounds funny for a second, and then
Patrick Star impression, but like a few transposed up a little. Jaw. I'm doing something wrong, I know, but
well, you're on the right track because you did lift it up. So just
okay. So like this
week, practice lifting it up, practice finding fry in your larynx, and then practice like trying to make the soft palate vibrate a little bit. And then we can move on next time once you're really comfortable with finding it. 2 thumbs up for the soft palate.
Woohoo!